Discovery Step 3 is aligned with 3 principles of ISO 56002. We are combining 2 principles in order to explore the realization of value and the exploitation of insights to formulate outcome-driven need statements. Through the outcome-driven need statements, you will now gain more in-depth understanding of all the various insights and build the picture of what creates value and how that value will be measured. The third principle is managing uncertainty. This involves continuously validating, prioritizing, and getting feedback on your outcome-driven need statements through engagement with key stakeholders. There are 2 parts to this Discovery Step 3. We start by exploring and developing the outcome-driven need statements, incorporating more detailed knowledge and information correlated through research, including market information, data on trends, technology in this and adjacent sectors, regulatory environment, as well as the direct insights and findings from your user and customer observations and interviews. This will include capturing the voice of the customer and calculating the market differentiation score. We can also engage with key stakeholders to build our probe for insights and further clarifications when required. Remember that this is an iterative process where the information and data gathering is ongoing. You will end up developing several drafts of your outcome-driven need statements. In the second part of Discovery Step 3, we engage with key stakeholders to prioritize these need statements. As part of this activity, your key stakeholders will be asked to rank each outcome-driven need statement based on 2 questions. We recommend undertaking this activity with a minimum of 5 of each stakeholder type, where possible, in order to get a consensus in the prioritization. The number of stakeholder types will differ greatly depending on the industry sector and ability to gain access to them. After prioritization with key stakeholders, the outcome-driven need statements will be reviewed and prioritized by your own management team. This will be done using a simple XY axis charts that allows the team to position and prioritize the outcome-driven need statement. Discovery Step 3 may often be the first time you will have engaged with your key stakeholders, if they were not part of your semi-structured interviews in Discovery Step 2. It is also important to understand as part of this process which stakeholders are the most critical to your project, particularly those which you need to keep satisfied and informed, and those which may have high influence and interest in the project and therefore need to be managed. At the end of Discovery Step 3, you will have 1. Drafted your outcome-driven need statements to incorporate all validated data, knowledge, and insights. 2. Conducted interviews with key stakeholders to clarify the required outcomes and how they will be measured and prioritized. 3. Finally, the management team will make a decision on which to bring through to the ideation sessions in Discovery Step 4.